Good morning. Today I am teaching you business study of class 12th. This is your chapter 3rd, that is management and business environment. Okay. Now today topic is dimensions, or we can say elements of business environment. In this we have dimensions of business environment: economically environment changes, social, technical, political and legal. We have some changes. So first of all, if we talk about economic environment also to all those forces that have economic impact on the business activity. जो भी हमारा economically impact पड़ता है, हमारी business activities को affect करता है, उसको हम economically इफेक्ट कहते हैं. जैसे हमारा इंटरेस्ट रेट, हमारा इन्फ्लेशन रेट, चेंजेस इन डिस्पोजेबल इनकम ऑफ पीपल, स्टॉक मार्केट indicates and values of rupees are some of the economic factors that can affect management practice in a business enterprises. Okay, and we can say short and long term interest rate also affects our business economically. Okay, now second is social environment represent the customs and tradition, values, cultural, social trends, beliefs, norms and ethics of the society in which business enterprises operates. So for example, एक सेलिब्रेशन अगर फेस्टिवल्स का होता है जैसे दिवाली, ईद, क्रिसमस, गुरु पर्व, etc. So these are provided significant in financial opportunities for greeting card companies, sweet shop, gift shops, etc. ये डिपेंड करता है कि आपका जो ट्रेडिशन है, आप किस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में आपका इंडस्ट्री सेटअप है. अगर वहाँ पे हिंदू पीपल ज़्यादा हैं, डेफिनेटली इन दिवाली whatever the goods you produce according to the tradition, it can the sales would be increased. Okay, then technical environment is include force relating to scientific improvement and innovations which provide new ways of producing goods and services and new methods and techniques of operating a business. So changes in technology is mostly associated with a better service. जो हम अगर सही टेक्निक का या न्यू टेक्निक को हम यूज़ करते हैं, एक नया और बेटर सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं जो कि कॉस्ट एफिशिएंसी को भी ध्यान में रख के चलाया जाता है, तो हम मोर एवर प्रॉफिट वी गेट्स. सो टुडे technology is changing at a fast pace and technological environment is significantly affected the business. Okay, then next we talk about political environment. So political environment includes political conditions such as general stability and peace in the country and specific attitudes that elected government representatives hold towards business. Okay, so political factors also play a major role in shaping the environment in which business firm operates, or we can say a stable government builds up confidence among the business people to invest in the long term project, whereas political instability shakes the confidence. Okay, अगर आपका कोई political पार्टी आपके ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंट करती है और वो आपके साथ लॉन्ग टर्म का प्रोजेक्ट साइन करती है, और आफ्टर सम टाइम, आफ्टर 5 years when the political party changes, it affects your business also. So it is called political environments changes. Okay, then legal environment. If we talk about legal environment, here legal environment includes various legislation passed by the administrative order issued by the government authorities, court judgment as well as the decision rendered by various commissions and agencies at every level of the government. So we can say legal environment refers to the framework of laws and various legislations within which business transactions are to be take place. Okay, or we can say to be a successful in India, every business enterprises must have working knowledge about the various laws like Companies Act or Industries Act, Factories Act, Trade Union Act, Industrial Disputes Acts, Consumer Protection Act, like all. Okay, for example is given here. Companies producing hazardous goods have to compile with the provisions of ब्यूरो ऑफ इंडिया स्टैंडर्ड इन 1986. ओके, अगर कोई कंपनी कोई कॉमोडिटी या सर्विस अकॉर्डिंग टू द कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइड नहीं कर पाती है, एक स्टैंडर्ड एक नॉर्म्स के अकॉर्डिंग वो प्रोडक्शन नहीं करती है, उसका क्वालिटी इतना मेंटेन नहीं है, तो कंज्यूमर्स को अधिकार है कि वो थ्रू द प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट वो एज अ कंप्लेंट दे केस फाइल अगेंस्ट द प्रोड्यूसर. ओके, or we can say it is a apart from these laws there are number of laws that regulation matters such as standard of product, packaging, promotion, ethics, etc. इनमें भी अगर कोई दिक्कत होती है तो